Alright guys, we are in the laundromat, not far from home. Actually, it's about 15 minutes away. We don't have laundromats where I live, but we found some up the road a few miles. Okay, I know this seems like a totally ridiculous, crazy thing to do to a gas tank for a motorcycle. However, if you have tried to agitate the media inside of your gas tank that you're trying to remove rust from, you know that it's very difficult to do. So, the only clothes dryer large enough for a sport bike gas tank like this is at a laundromat, and this thing is humongous. So what you do, not only do you need to make sure the gas tank is wrapped thoroughly with, whatever protective wrapping you can do, as well as wrap it in very thick bed comforter, and then wrap all of that around with bungee straps like these that'll hold the comforter in place around the tank, and then cram as much padded stuff as you can inside of the dryer. As you see, I got pillows in there, I got other comforters, huge towels. This basically keeps the thing from tumbling within there. It just sort of rolls around and around, but it doesn't actually tumble inside. And I'm going to do this for 1 hour, and I'm stopping it every 10 minutes or so, and then removing it and then switching it around and putting it back in there, so it will reverse the motion every 10 minutes or so. And what should result should be fantastic. So we'll show you the results after the fact. So y'all hang tight and we'll see y'all later.